Sphere closed the weekend ending on the 28th of May 2021 at $0.004, an extension of 2.56%. About 23.1 million shares crossed the tape during that session. We can see at various points during that session, price crossed above the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, but I think it closed slightly below those averages. We can see what's going on here. Market cap now stands at $21 million, 5.3 billion shares outstanding. You can see what's going on here. The stock has since continued to retrace ever since the May 25th deadline. You can see what happened here. This is May. This is the week began on the 24th, I believe. But in any case, I mean, by this time, market participants were already expecting the deadline to, come upon them, and they continue to take money of the stock. It retraced all the way down to $0.04. It is naturally expected. The opportunity is there, and the good news is that people can still buy. We have been able to buy some, just tested it to see whether we can buy. Yes, on this platform, Charles Schwab, you'll be able to buy. A viewer indicated that on TD Ameritrade you'll be able to buy BLSP stock. So if you really can't wait, you better sign up and open an account with Charles Schwab, or indeed do your research and find out the many flat platforms you can still go ahead and trade BLSP. But for now, I think the only thing you can do is sell on those other platforms. But I believe BLSP is working and racing hard to ensure that all the restrictions they have on all the other platforms, or indeed with the regulator, SEC and probably FINRA, will be removed in the coming days. I believe they are really racing to do that. So we come across this piece written on Associated Press. This is way back way back to March 21st 2019. So it's all the way back, so it's a bit too old, concerning financing and other stuff. So but all in all, the opportunity is there to get involved, and let's see what that is. If you can, it says BLSP appears to be in a bearish medium-term trend within a longer-term uptrend. Okay, longer-term uptrend is the stock. It's the 200-day moving average. Yes, the 200-day moving average, which is a longer-term uptrend, is still bullish. It has a positive. The slope of that curve is definitely positive. Although the 200-day moving average is rising, the MACD is bearish. It's lagging the S&P 500. Momentum for BLSP strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. So the fact that there are just very few platforms for people to get involved, and as it concerns buying and selling, just very few are available. So what is principally available at the moment is just the opportunity to sell. So all of that and the fear of losing your investment, and the uncertainty concerning what's going to happen, the lack of official disclosures and all those things will definitely force people to continue to remove money off the table as it concerns BLSP, and that has been the case. But in any case, if you're privileged to have the opportunity, if you're privileged to have a trading position in Charles Schwab or indeed TD Canada, by all means, take advantage of that. We'll continue to take advantage of that. And if you really have to, sign up on the on Charles Schwab, and indeed any other one you can find out and get buying. The opportunities there, and we will try to make a good use of it, and to do our best to sustain it, to ensure that it doesn't bottom out, because more and more people are likely to begin to take money off the table. And so in any case, we'll continue to update you, okay, as it concerns Blue Sphere. So thank you very much for watching this video.